Okay, so this class came out of a result of my many years of teaching both in and out of schools, and also my scholarly research that shows that, one, that a very good way to learn is by teaching, and two, that universities have a lot to offer the communities that surround them or within which they exist, and three, community-based art education is very important, and I wanted my classes at the university to meet a need by the community, but also have my students engage in service learning, where they're reflecting on what they're learning while they're engaged in community actions that make a difference. So often at the end of this class, students say that they believe they've gotten more out of it than the kids that they have worked with. And they report every year that they have seen the difference that engaging with communities makes, and also the difference that the arts make with young people, so that kids have this opportunity to be creative. Some, after taking this class, decide they're more interested in teaching in a community-based setting instead of a school-based setting, which they had originally intended. One of the things that I think is important, that we have an educated populace in terms of the arts. I believe, and many others believe, that the arts are essential to an educated populace. They get to be creative, they get to problem solve, they get to have sustained interaction with something, because there's so much research out there that shows how important the arts are, that really all these people need to do is read that research. It all exists, and we just need to figure out ways to fund it and make it happen. What message do I have for the kids? Oh, to just fully be themselves. I mean, they've been a joy to be around. And I also would tell them to believe that they can make a difference, because they're making a difference right now in what they're doing. I mean, their work will be put out in the public domain and change the space because they have been here. And they have important things to tell us and tell the rest of their community.